In this video, we are going to discuss that lecture 3 in integrations. So the topic is how to do that integration by using the substitution methods. Already in lecture 2, I discussed that some problems. Now I am going to discuss that a few more questions which are in NCERT textbook and a previous year, all different type of entrance exams. See how to do this model question. Integration of sin x by sin of x minus a. So how to do this problem? Here is that first of all you take that x minus a as that t. X minus a is equals to t. From this we can write that x is equals to this value is that t plus a. Now what is the derivative of this one with respect to t? Dx is equals to this value is that dt. Dx is equals to dt. So I hope everyone is clear this one. So now here all these whatever you take that x minus a is equals to t, you replace x minus a with the t and dx is you replace with the dt. So now if you substitute in that value, the given expression will becomes that sin of what is that x value in terms of the t, that is that t plus a whole divided by denominator is that what, this one is nothing but sin t into dx value you can write as that dt. So after this one, now the numerator is in the form of sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b. You know in the trigonometry, sin of a plus b value, this one will be equals to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. This one is that cos a into sin b. So you know this is the fundamental formula. By using this formula, here that in this expression the numerator will write that this one is that sin a value is that t into cos b value is that a plus cos a, that will be the cos t into this one is that sin b, that is that sin a whole divided by this value will be sin of t into dt. So after this one, now you split this value, that is equals to what is this value, integration of, you can write this one is that sin t into cos a whole divided by sin t, cos a whole divided by sin t. This one is the sin t into dt plus integration of cos t, integration of cos t into sin a whole divided by this one is that sin t into dt, sin t into dt. See all of you, see this one, here in the first term you can be cancel that sin t and sin t. Now here we can write it that is equals to cos a is the constant, so you can write that cos a is that outside, cos a into integration of dt plus here in the second term sin a is the constant, sin a into integration of cot t, integration of cot t into dt. So all of you please recall that integration of dt will be equals to the t, that is equals to this one we can write that cos a into this value is that t, okay, plus sin a into integration of cot t. Already I told you this one will be in that formulas log of this one is that sin t, log of sin t. So after that you have to replace that t value in terms of that x. So this one is that cos a into what is that t value? You see in that above we assumed that t is equals to x minus a. So you replace here, this one is that x minus a plus sine a into log of sine of x minus a, sine of x minus a plus c. C is that integral constant. Now actually this one is enough, but sometimes the same value you can also write that you multiply these two, then it becomes that x into cos a minus a into cos a minus a into cos a plus sin a into log of sin of x minus a, sin of x minus a, okay, plus c. So here c is the constant. Now in this simplification, a into cos a is the constant and c is the constant. Now this entire term you can be write as that single term, that is denoted with again as the c. So you can write this value is that finally this result will be equals to x into cos a, okay, plus sin a into, this one is that sin a into log of sin of x minus a, sin of x minus a plus here a cos a and plus c you can write as again that c. So because sum of the two constants is a constant, so your final answer will be, the required value will be, this is the required value. So integration of sin x whole divided by, see that question, sin x whole divided by sin of x minus a into dx value will be equals to what, x into cos a plus sin a into log of sin of x minus a. See, one more question, the substitution method will discuss. That will be, that is the second question. So what is that question? Integration of x into sine inverse of x square whole divided by under root of 1 minus x to the power of 4 into dx. So here substitution, you can take that a single substitution or a double substitution. So what is the meaning of single substitution? Either by assuming that sine inverse of x square as a one term, now by differentiating you can get the value, or first you substitute that x square as the t and then again you have to be assume that one more different variable. So better you take it that here this one will be sine inverse of x square as that t. So you take it that put t is equals to, this one is that sine inverse of x square. Okay, differentiate this one with respect to x. Now this value will be dt by dx is equals to sine inverse x derivative is that what, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. According to that, 1 by root of 1 minus x square whole square, that is x to the power of 4 into derivative of x square will be the 2 into x. Okay, so after this one, see here is that you can write that what is that dx value, here this one is that what is that dt value, dt is equals to, you can write that dx you cross multiply 2 into x whole divided by root of 1 minus x to the power of 4 into dx. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear this differentiation. Now you see in this question, here is the 2x into dx by root of 1 minus x square. So here now you multiply and divided with the 2, 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by root of 1 minus x to the power of 4 into sine inverse of x square into dx. So I think everyone is clear how to do this one. Otherwise in this value before only you can take that divided with 2. Now here this part x into 2x 2x by root of 1 minus x square into dx value, according to this one you can replace with the dt, and here is that sine inverse of x square, in that one you can assume as that t. So this result will be equals to, that is equals to, you can write that 1 by 2 into integration of t into dt, integration of t into dt. So t means what? This is that t value, this is that t value, and total entire this result will be equals to, this one is that dt value. I hope everyone is the clear. Now you know integration of this expression is x into dx. What is the integration of x into dx? X square by 2. So this value will be equals to 1 by 2 into t square by 2, t square by 2, that is equals to, this value is that 1 by 4 into, what is that t value? Sine inverse of x square. So this answer will be sine inverse of x square whole square. This value will be sine inverse of x square whole square plus c. So your final result will be, what is that value? 1 by 4 into sine inverse of 1 by 4 into sine inverse of x square, sine inverse of x square whole square plus c. I hope everyone is clear this problem. You see one more problem in this model. So what is that substitution? Next question will be, that third question will be, this one will be integration of x into e to the power of x plus e to the power of x whole divided by cos square of x into e to the power of x into dx. See, one of all of you please understand, all these questions are that purely NCERT model and NCERT question textbook problems. So this is very helpful to all the competitive exams, and directly the same questions will ask in that CET level or MSET level or other different competitive exams. Sometimes as it is questions will ask in that mains examination also. So everyone please be thoroughly, you listen and please note down all these questions. See how to do this problem. How to do here, that integration of, you take that e power x is the common in the numerator, so otherwise you can write it directly. So here e to the power of x into, this one is that x plus 1 whole divided by, this value is that cos square of x into e to the power of x, x into e to the power of x into dx, right? So how you apply the substitution method? See, if you take that x into tx, e power x as that t. See, x into e power x is equals to t. Now differentiate this one with respect to t. So how, this is nothing but a product. So you can write the derivative of x, that is nothing but 1 into e to the power of x plus x into e power x derivative is that what? E to the power of x into dx by, this one is a dx by dt is equals to, this is that 1. You are differentiating with respect to t. Now you cross multiply, and here you take e power x is the common, e power x into 1 plus x into dx is equals to, this value will be the dt. So I hope everyone is clear this one. Substitute all these values. First one, x into e power x is that t. Second one is e power x into 1 plus x into dx value is the dt. So by substitute in that value, integration of 1 by cos square t, 1 by cos square t into dt. Okay, so now this value will be integration of secant square t into dt. So what is that integration of secant square x? That is nothing but the tan x. So this is the tan t value. But actually the question is given in terms of x. So you have to replace that t in terms of the x. What is that t value? X into e to the power of x. So tan of x into e to the power of x plus c. So your final answer will be tan of x into e to the power of x plus c. Right? And see one more question in this model. So what is the next question? The question will be integration of next question number 4. Question number 4 is that integration of ln square of x by x plus 1 whole divided by this value will be x into x plus 1 into dx. See how to do this question. You know, first of all, ln square of x by x plus 1. We know that some basic points. What are the basic points? Ln of x square ln of x to the power of n. See, here ln square means ln of x to the power of n is equals to this value you can write n into x to the power of n into ln of x. But here this one is that ln x whole to the power of n. So this one we cannot write that n into ln of x. You cannot write this one. So how to write this value? And you apply that one formula. First ln of a by b. ln means log base e. So ln of a by b is equals to what? ln a minus ln b. ln a minus ln b. By using this formula, here you write it that integration of ln of x by x plus 1 will be ln x minus ln of x plus 1. This value will be whole square. This value is the whole square. Whole divided by x into x plus 1 into dx. So now here you take that what is the substitution? The substitution will be here that t is equals to this value you take is as ln x minus ln of x plus 1. So now you differentiate this one with respect to that x. So now this one will be dt by dx is equals to so what is that derivative? So this one will be ln x derivative is that 1 by x. Okay, minus 1 by this value will be x plus 1. Okay, now you simplify this value by taking that LCM. X into x plus 1 is that LCM. Numerator value is that what? X plus 1 minus x. Now here you can cancel that minus x and plus x. Now this result will be equals to that is that 1 by x into x plus 1. Now after this one you cross multiply. Therefore dt is equals to this one is the cross multiply 1 by x into x plus 1 into dx. So according to that question you can take that here is that dx whole divided by x into x plus 1 as that dt, and this part you can take as that t. So finally you can write this value will be equals to integration of t square into dt. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. What is that integration of that t square? T power 3 whole divided by 3, that is equals to 1 by 3 into what is that t value? T value will be ln x minus ln of x plus 1. Okay, whole to the power of this one is that 3. Now again you can write here is that you must write that integral constant plus c. Again we can write that 1 by 3 into this one is that ln of x by x plus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus c. So I hope this is that very clear to all the students, right? And see one more question we'll see in this model, substitution model, right? Next question number 5. One more question in this same model. What is that next question? This question will be integration of, here integration of 1 by x plus root of x square plus 1 into dx, x square plus 1 into dx. It is that very important question. So the same question is given in that CET exam and MCET level and mains level model also. See how to do this one. Here you have to take that first of all t is equals to x plus root of x square plus 1, root of x square plus 1. This is the one model. So this problem you can do in the different models. See, differentiate this one with respect to x. This value will be the dt by dx is equals to derivative of x is that 1 plus root x square plus 1. That will be 1 by 2 into root of x square plus 1 into x square plus 1 derivative is the 2x into total this value will be so into 1. So here that 2 and 2 will be cancelled here. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. After that you take LCM. This LCM will becomes that root of x square plus 1 plus x whole divided by root of x square plus 1. Root of x square plus 1. Now you cross multiply, dt value will be equals to, this one is that root of x square plus 1 plus x whole divided by root of x square plus 1 into dx. Now in this question you can be substitute dx value. What is that dx value? Sorry, you can write that dx value. Dx is equals to, what is that value? See, here first of all you substitute that dx value. Dx is equals to, you can write that dx value will be equals to, dx is equals to, you can write that root of x square plus 1 whole divided by, this value is the dx value, dt by dx is equals to this value. So better you substitute that t is equals to this value and dx value will be x by root of x by, this value will be dx is equals to x by root of x square plus 1. Here this one is the x plus root of x square plus 1 into dt. So now you substitute all this one in this substitution, you can get that value. So how to substitute? That is equals to integration of, that is equals to integration of 1 whole divided by x plus root of x square plus 1 is that what? That is that t. This value is that what? T. And next one is that dx value will be equals to, that one is that root of, dx value will be equals to what? Root of x square plus 1, root of x square plus 1 whole divided by, this value will be, this one we can write x square plus 1 whole divided by x plus root of, this one is that x square plus 1 into dt. Okay, now you see again here this value will be equals to x plus root of x square plus 1 is that what? T. So this one you can be substitute that is equals to, you can write that integration of 1 by t into root of x square, and you see root of x square plus 1 also you convert in terms of that t. How can we convert in terms of that t? So see this one, root of x square plus 1 is equals to, you can write that t minus x. You can write that t minus x. This is the value of this one. So better you do that another model. Simply you can write it. It becomes, it's a too lengthy process. So you go to that alternative method. That will be first you have to do the rationalizing. What will get its value? See, it is a simple method that this problem is. You can go through that another way. That is that rationalizing method. So suppose if you do the rationalizing, what is the rationalizing method? Rationalizing means here this problem is, you have to be Rationalizing means this value will be integration of multiply and divided with x minus root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1 multiply and divided with this value, that is equals to x plus root of x square minus 1 x square plus 1 into x minus root of x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now you see denominator value will be integration of, numerator will be what, x minus root of x square plus 1. The denominator value, it is that a plus b into a minus b. It is that a plus b into a minus b. So then you can write that a square minus b square. A square minus b square means x square minus root of x square plus 1 whole square into dx. I hope everyone is clear. Now after this one, see integration of x minus root of x square plus 1 whole divided by, this value will be x square minus, here square and root will be the cancel. Now minus x square minus 1. So now here plus x square and minus x square will be cancelled into dx. Denominator is minus 1, it goes to the numerator, integration of root of x square plus 1 into dx minus x, integration of x into dx. So how to do that integration of root of x square plus a square? This value you can write that. So x into integration of, one formula is there. Integration of root of x square plus a square into dx. This value you can write that x by 2 into root of x square plus a square. Okay, plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus c, x by a plus c. So by using this formula, here a square is equals to 1. So now you can write this value will be x into root of, this value is that x into root of x square plus 1 whole divided by 2 plus a square by 2, that is that 1 by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a value is that 1 minus, here is that integration of x into dx is that what, x square by 2 plus c. So this is the final result. So this is that one more important question. So everyone please be understand very clearly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.